My name is Brad Remmert. I'm here to explain my first aid kit for first aid class. First of all, it's in this hard carrying case, easy to carry, can take with me in the car if necessary. Items that make up my first aid kit, and I've got a lot in here. First of all, have some tape, some 1-inch tape to be used to attach different dressings. As far as the gauze goes, I've got 2-inch roller gauze. I also have underneath the band-aids here some 2-inch gauze pads that could be used to cover various wounds. As far as band-aids go, I have a variety of band-aids included in the kit. Your standard band-aid along with some different shaped ones that could be used to cover small wounds, especially on elbows and knees. Got elastic bandages here, 1-inch and 2-inch elastic bandages, good for sprains, those types of injuries. Included in the kit is triple antibiotic, which can be applied to small wounds using the Q-tips that are in the kit. When treating victims, always good to wear a pair of rubber gloves, so I have that to provide a barrier. Also included in the kit are the Kleenex. On the top shelf, we've put a working flashlight in case we need to work on somebody in bad lighting or in the dark. A pair of scissors here, used to cut away clothing if needed, or also to cut some of the tape that we have included in the kit. Another required item that we had to have in there was the tongue depressors, so we have those. Those could be used to make a makeshift splint if necessary. Another required item was the pair of nail clippers. As we move to some items in the bottom of the kit, have some bigger sterile pads, sterile gauze. We also had to have some non-stick, non-adherent pads, so we have a few of each of those. Also included is a CPR mask. This provides a breathing barrier if we need to administer CPR. Other required items, we had to have aspirin, Tylenol, and the antacids to be given as necessary. Included high energy food. We've got granola bar here, and also have juice if needed if somebody's blood sugar has gone down. One other required item that we had to have in the kit was plastic bags, and again, have a roll of those in case we need to dispose of any items that contain blood. As far as extra items that I put in the kit that I thought were important, that triangular bandage we talked about, if we had to do a makeshift sling, that could be helpful. A pair of tweezers if we needed to remove some sort of a splinter or something from a hand or foot. Got a bigger elastic wrap with clips that could be put on, again, have some sort of a sprain type injury. I feel it was important to have pre-wrap and athletic tape. Again, I deal with school personnel as far as athletics, and it's always good to have that on hand if we needed to tape something up, along with the 1-inch tape that could be used also. A couple of other items that I kept in the kit that I got that were extra, this plastic. Again, this could, if you needed to put an ice bag on somebody and you needed to do that to keep your hands free so you can continue working in other areas, this could be very helpful. Sterile eye wash if needed. And then the last item here is bottled water, which could be used obviously if you needed to clean out a wound or so forth. It would be good to have the water. So those are the items that make up my first aid kit.